Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate stock gifting with Robinhood, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate stock gifting with Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu. Tap on your account icon located in the bottom right corner. From the account menu, select Settings. Scroll down to find the gifting option. Tap on Gifting to proceed. Read through the information provided about stock gifting. Make sure you meet any necessary eligibility requirements. If you're ready to proceed, follow the prompts to activate the feature. You may need to verify your identity as part of the activation process. Once verified, you can choose stocks to gift. Select the stock you wish to gift from your portfolio. Enter the recipient's details, including their email address. Specify the amount of stock you want to send. Review all the information for accuracy. Confirm the transaction to complete the gifting process. You will receive a confirmation notification once the gift is sent. The recipient will receive an email notification with instructions on how to accept the gift. Keep track of your gifted stocks in case you need to follow up. And that's how to activate stock gifting with Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.